In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an invoice in Gnucash. Whether you're tidying up your records or made an error you need to correct, understanding how to delete an invoice is a valuable skill for managing your finances efficiently. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to have Gnucash open on your device. Go ahead and launch the software. Once you're in, you'll start at the main dashboard, which is where all your financial management begins. If you're new to Gnucash, don't worry. Every task is laid out in a logical flow, making it relatively straightforward once you get the hang of it. Now, direct your attention to the upper menu. You're looking for the business menu. Click on it, and a drop-down will reveal more options. Hover over Customer, which will present further options. From there, choose Find Invoice. This is your pathway to locating the specific invoice you want to address. Once the Find Invoice window pops up, you'll enter the relevant details of the invoice you're seeking. This might involve typing in the invoice number or other pertinent customer information. After conducting your search, you'll see a list of invoices that match your criteria. When you've identified the invoice you're looking for, it's important to unpost it before making any further changes. Unposting is essentially the process that makes the invoice editable again. With the invoice selected, look for the Unpost option. This action temporarily removes the invoice from your account records, leaving it open for editing. This is essential because an unposted invoice can be modified or deleted entirely. If you only need to modify the invoice rather than delete it, you're in luck. You can now go ahead and edit the details of the invoice as needed. Maybe correct a date, adjust a line item, or amend customer details. Once your changes are completed, it's crucial to repost the invoice. Reposting reflects the changes within your records, ensuring everything remains up to date and accurate. However, if your goal is to delete the invoice completely, there's just a bit more to do. With the invoice still unposted, the next step involves finding the corresponding transaction in your transaction register. This may require a bit of detective work if you're managing a large number of transactions, but it is certainly manageable. Once located, select the transaction linked to the invoice you want to remove. Finally, with the correct transaction selected in the register, it's time to say goodbye. Click on the Transaction menu or use the toolbar, where you'll find the handy option to delete the transaction. Confirm your choice, and just like that, the invoice is permanently removed from your records. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on how to delete an invoice in Gnucash, ensuring your financial records are neat and accurate. Thank you for watching, and feel free to reach out with any questions or for further assistance.